Welcome, here we've got POCO X3 and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode and the volume buttons are here, so let me try to tap on this to see how it works now. And as you can see now, I can easily take a picture by using the volume keys here. So to change that function, we have to go to the right corner where we have access to more settings we can manage. And now let's pick these settings from the left, so we can open the advanced camera settings. From here, let's slide a little bit down, and here we have the volume buttons function. So when we tap on this, we can manage it. We can pick from the shutter countdown, zoom or volume. For now, let me pick, for example, zoom to show you how it works different. And let's go back to the camera preview. And now let me try to use these buttons once again. As you can see now, I can easily get closer to my subject, so I can use zoom by using this button here, and also I can go back by using the second one. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.